Okay, so I'm going to go over a little magnetism, which also would have been part of our electricity unit series, with a culmination of how the two are related to one another, magnetism and electricity. But I just wanted to show you, we would have done this in class. So there are two bar magnets. You would have gotten two bar magnets. The first part of the lab, you take one bar magnet and you put it underneath a piece of paper. And what it shows is magnetic field lines, like what does a magnetic field really look like? And this is, actually maybe I'll show you this first. This is a container filled with, it's iron. It's iron shavings. This is actually metal, okay, that we've shaved into little pieces. And I'm going to put that back carefully because it makes a mess. Back like that, and then what you do is you take your little iron shavings. Remember, iron, cobalt, and nickel are the only magnetic elements, so that's iron. So I'll put that right there. And what this shows, so this is the south end, north end. What this shows is magnetic fields. And you would have sprinkled it around there like that. Okay, so we have magnetic field lines makes a circle, right? So it comes out from the south, then back in, and then out again to the north. Okay, then once you saw the magnetic field lines and drew them, this would be a notebook assignment. You draw the magnetic field lines. You see how the two magnets actually interact with one another. So I'm going to put this back into the container, or I have a better idea. Here, a better idea. I'm just going to do this, make it a lot easier on myself. Just put it in here. I'll put that back later. Okay, so attraction. Okay, so I have my north and I have my south. Right, so this is attracting, right? I'm going to keep it a little bit far away from each other, and we can see how these attraction lines look. So I again have my iron filings, and ooh, that was close. Shake it, and then what you have is you can see the attractive force between the two magnets, right? So you have, here's your circles. But right here you can see that the magnetic fields are complementing each other. They want to go near each other. They want to attract. Right? So then what we would have done is look at the repulsive force. So you would turn the magnet around, either north-north or south-south, and you would have looked at that. So, and this one's my favorite. Make that a little bit closer maybe, and you can start to see, there we go, it actually sprays out. It actually like pushes away from each other. Okay, so that's the repulsive force. And then the last part of the lab would have just been you guys kind of, you know, messing around with it and experimenting with different combinations, like if you had north-south and north-south side by side, what would that look like? And you have attractive on each side, right? And then you would have also probably come up with what would it look like if you had it side by side, but like poles. So let's see what. So you have repulsion, repulsion. This one's all over the place. But that's it. Okay, so we can actually see with iron filings and paper instead of magnets, we can actually see the magnetic field lines. We can see the lines that come out and come back into a magnet. Okay, so I'm going to keep this short so the download time is quick. So this is the first in the series of videos for the last week. Okay, so thanks for watching.